that the price action hit the sell zone, but we need to see that whether this cipher move was completed or not. The price action went very close to this buying zone, but did not complete this bullish cipher move and reversed bullish. Therefore, I am just also ignoring this chart as well. And after Cardano, we have the next trade of HundiX, NPXS token. And that was on the 4-hour chart. The price action completed the bullish bat pattern. And here we can see that the price action completed the bullish bat pattern and entered in this buying zone. I've just played this chart and we can see that the price action turned really very strong bullish, and that was a really very big rally. Now we have 9 successful trades and 0 unsuccessful so far, and the next trade was the Stellar, and this was the bullish shark pattern that the price action completed on the 4-hour chart, the small time period 4-hour chart. Now I'm just playing this chart, and you can watch here what the price action did. The price action hit the sell zone. Now we have 10 successful trades and 0 unsuccessful trades so far. And after that, the next trade was, these are the videos. This is also video. This is also video, and this was another Stellar trading idea that I shared on 6th of March. That was also on the small time period 4-hour chart, and this is the link for the chart. The price action was completing the final leg of the bullish bat. I was expecting that it will enter in the buying zone, and from there it will reverse bullish. I've played the chart, and let's see the leg was completed or not. We can see that the price action turned bullish from above this buying zone. Therefore, I'm also leaving this chart and moving to the next one. The next one was Atom, and this was the bullish cipher move. And this was also on the small time period 4-hour chart, and this is the link for the chart. You can see this was a private chart. I shared the link at the Patreon, and this was the bullish cipher move. I have just played this chart, and you can see that it has turned really very strong bullish. Now we have 11 successful trades and 0 unsuccessful trades so far up to 6th of March. 7th of March, and this was the Binance coin formed the Gartley pattern I shared on 8th of March on the daily time frame. That was also a bull flag as well, and during the bull flag the price action formed this Gartley, and now I've played this chart. The price action turned really very strong bullish 2 times. Now we have 12 successful trades and 0 unsuccessful trade. Then I shared, these were the videos. Okay, this is another OM token I shared on 9th of March, and this is the link for the chart. This was a really really small time period for a 2-hour chart, only 2 hour. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price action moved sideways in this buying zone, and then it turned really very strong bullish. That was a really very big rally as per this small time period. Now we have 13 successful trades and 0 unsuccessful. Then we have Easy token, and this was the bullish bat move on the daily time frame. And the price action was completing the final leg. I've just played this chart. In a few moments, we will see what the price action did. The price action completed this final leg here and hit the sell zone. Now we have 14 successful trades and 0 unsuccessful trades so far. After easy, we have the next pond token, POND. And this was the cipher pattern on the 4-hour chart. The price action just entered in the buying zone, and I shared this chart on 9th of March. Now I've played this chart, and you can see what the price action did. Here the price action broke down this buying zone, even though after that the price action hit the sell zone, but here our stop loss was triggered. Let me check it again. I think price action first hit the sell zone, then moved down. Okay, here the price action was at that time on 21st of March. Okay, then price action completed this final leg, and here the price action has rallied to the upside. In here it has hit the sell zone, then it moved down and hit the broke down the buying zone. Therefore, this is also another successful trade. Now we have 15 successful trades, and after this we have the next trade, TRB. That was the formation of the bullish bat pattern on the 2-hour chart. This was also really very small time period chart. As much the chart will be smaller, as much the risk will be bigger, because in small time period charts there are more chances that the price action can break down the buying zone. And here let's see what the price action did. Here the price action already had completed this bullish bat move, moved to the upside, hit the sell zone, then moved down. So this is another successful trade. Now we have 16 successful trades and 0 unsuccessful trades so far. Okay, after that I shared the Dogecoin. And here I was expecting that Doge will complete the final leg of this bullish cipher pattern with the US dollar pair. Now let's see what the price action did. The price action completed this cipher pattern here and here as well, and moved to the upside. So now we have 17 successful trades and 0 unsuccessful trades so far. This was also shared on the 9th of March. Then I shared the next trade of XEM. Okay, for XEM, I will again suggest you to follow my videos, the instructions I have already shared in my videos. And first I shared this chart. That was the bullish bat pattern I was expecting. But for this, I also shared the instructions that you also need to wait for the stochastic and for the MACD as well. If they will be turned bullish, then you should place the buying orders. That I shared these instructions in the video, but we did not receive those buying signals by the stochastic and MACD, and the price action broke down this bat pattern. However, I'm considering this as a unsuccessful trade. Now we have first unsuccessful trade. That is 1 and 17 successful trades. Okay. This was shared on 10th of March, and I also shared another trading idea on 10th of March, and that was the Quantum. And here I was expecting that the price action may complete the final leg. As I already told you that I just shared such ideas where the price action did not complete the final leg, but I'm expecting, if I'm expecting that the final leg will be completed, that only for for the sake of keeping an eye on the price action, that we would not miss that trade, I shared the ideas. And here we can see that the price action did not complete the final leg and turned bullish from that place. And after quantum, we have the next DIA, and it completed the bat pattern on the 12-hour chart, and this was the chart. Price action already had completed this bat, and now I'm just going to play this chart, and we can see that the price action turned really very strong bullish from this buying zone. Here you can see we had a really very strong long spikes beyond this buying zone, but the price action retraced back and turned really very strong bullish. Now we have 18 successful trades and 1 unsuccessful. After that we have the Badger, and here the price action was completing the final leg of the bullish butterfly on the 12-hour chart. Okay, you can see where it was really very close to this buying zone, and I was expecting it will give us another chance to catch it from here. And here you can see that the price action completed this final leg of the bullish butterfly and turned bullish. So now we have 19 successful trades and 1 unsuccessful. That was in fact not a successful because I already shared the instructions for that in the video. However, I'm considering it as an unsuccessful. So next trade is Pundi X. I shared on 11th of March, and that was the shark pattern. The price action was completing the final leg of the bullish shark, and this was the chart. Now I'm just going to play this chart. This was a conditional move. If the price action will break down this 100 simple moving average, then we can expect. And the price action did break down the 100 simple moving average, but did not complete the final leg and move to the upside. After that we have FTM, and that was the Gartley pattern on the daily time frame chart, and this was the link I shared on 11th of March. Now I've played this chart, and you can see that the price action broke down this buying zone. So now we have 2 unsuccessful trades with 19 successful trades. And after FTM we have the next PSG token. That was the Gartley formation by the PSG. And this is the link for the chart. I was expecting that maybe it will complete the final leg of the bullish Gartley, and only to keep an eye on this chart, I shared this pattern. And after playing the chart, we can see that the price action moved very, very long to the sideways. So far, the leg is not completed. The pattern is invalidated. Therefore, I'm just leaving this chart. Then this is the video, and this is the chart. UNFI token, and that was the bullish shark pattern, and this is the link for the chart on the 12-hour time period. I was expecting that it will complete the final leg of this bullish shark, and here you can see that the price action completed this final leg of the bullish shark and hit the sell zone and then moved down. Now we have 20 successful trades with 2 unsuccessful ideas. The next trade was IOTA. It formed the bullish cipher pattern, and this is the link for the chart with the Bitcoin pair. And this was the daily time frame chart, and IOTA formed a bullish cipher against the Bitcoin. I've just played the link, and you can see that the price action turned really, really strong bullish. Now we have 21 successful trades with 2 unsuccessful trades. Then I shared, this is another video, and this was the next trade. And this is the real pattern that I shared the next time, that this is the bullish cipher pattern that is confirmed because we also received a bull cross by the stochastic on the daily time frame. We have received the MACD bullish signals, and also momentum has been turned bullish, and the price action is still moving in this buying zone. You can also watch my video for the complete instructions to place the buying orders for this trade. That is still in process. You can see the price action is in this cipher pattern, moving at the end of this cipher, and this pattern has been formed on the 2-day chart. So far this trade is in process, and remember, I always set my stop loss this potential reversal zone, so you should use it as a potential reversal zone. And I also mentioned this stop loss in the trading ideas as well. And this is the dragon chain, and this was the Gartley pattern, and this was our stop loss, the maximum extent of the potential reversal zone against the Bitcoin pair on the 4-day chart. And this was completed. This pattern was completed, and after just played this chart, you can see that it was really very big move. And now we have 22 successful trades with 2 unsuccessful trades. The next trade is GRT, the graph, and this I shared on 14th of March. And I was expecting that it will complete this final leg of the bullish shark pattern. And now I'm just going to play this chart. And you can see that the price action completed this final leg and moved to the upside. Now we have 23 successful trades and 2 unsuccessful trades so far. After that, we have MTV that I shared on the 14th of March at the same day. And this was on the 12-hour time frame, a bullish bat formation. I was expecting that it will complete the bullish bat. And this is the link for the chart. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that the price action moved a little bit to the downside, but did not complete this final leg. Therefore, I'm just moving to the next chart. That is RSR, the reserve rights token. And that was the bullish cipher pattern for up to 64% bullish rally. And this is the link for the chart. I was expecting that it will complete the final leg of the bullish cipher. Let's see the leg was completed or not. We also had this moving average resistance or support for the completion of this final leg. And you can see that this moving average is not broken down and the leg is not completed. These are the videos, and the next is again PSG token. And this was another formation of the bullish cipher pattern I shared on 15th of March, and this was on the daily time frame chart, and it was completing the final leg of the bullish cipher. Now I've just played this chart. Now you can see that the price action